Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on all things automotive, adventure, and innovation. We dive deep into everything from the latest car models to hidden gems in the world of camping, road trips, and more. Now, grab a seat and let's explore today's exciting topic. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome, a fusion of innovation, adventure, and comfort. If you're someone who's been dreaming of hitting the open road in a vehicle that offers the flexibility of a camper but the reliability and performance of a Toyota, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the details of this highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. We'll cover everything you need to know, from its design, features, performance, to how it compares with the competition. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the future of road tripping. For years, Toyota has been known for making durable, practical, and reliable vehicles. Whether you're looking for an SUV, sedan, or pickup truck, Toyota has earned its reputation. But in 2025, they've taken things to the next level by entering the camper motorhome market. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is set to revolutionize the way we think about RVs. This is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. From its advanced technology to its compact, yet spacious interior, it promises to make long road trips feel like a luxury vacation. First impressions and exterior design. Let's start with the exterior design of the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. Toyota has always excelled in creating vehicles that look sleek, modern, and stylish. The 2025 Camper Motorhome is no different. The design is based on the Toyota Helix, a well-known pickup truck with a reputation for off-road capability and robustness. The camper version, however, is built with much more than utility in mind. The front end of the motorhome sports a familiar Toyota design, with a large grille and sharp, angular headlights. There's no mistaking that this is a Toyota. But what really sets the 2025 camper apart is its camper shell. The streamlined, aerodynamic design helps improve fuel efficiency and makes the vehicle look as modern as it feels. It's compact but spacious, offering a perfect balance between the rugged look of a pickup and the luxurious feel of a motorhome. One of the most notable features is the pop-up roof. While driving, the vehicle maintains a low profile for easy maneuvering, but once parked, the roof can pop up to give you even more headspace. This is a perfect feature for campers who want to have a more open, airy environment while inside, especially if you're spending extended periods in the camper. Interior. Comfort and convenience. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome, and you'll immediately notice how cleverly Toyota has utilized the space. Despite being a compact vehicle, the interior feels surprisingly spacious. Toyota has designed this camper with the modern traveler in mind, incorporating multi-functional spaces to maximize every inch. The main cabin features a convertible seating arrangement. During the day, you've got a fully functional living area with a comfortable lounge space. You can easily turn the seats around to face each other for conversations, or you can fold them away to create more room. At night, those same seats convert into a bed. This dual-purpose design is great for maximizing space without sacrificing comfort. Toyota has incorporated high-quality materials throughout the interior, from leather seating to wood paneling, giving the camper a warm, cozy, and upscale feel. Even though it's a motorhome, Toyota hasn't skimped on luxury. The climate control system is adjustable, ensuring that no matter the temperature outside, you'll feel comfortable inside. There's also a smart lighting system that adjusts based on the time of day, giving the camper an inviting atmosphere. One of the highlights of the interior is the kitchen. While some campers are cramped and have minimal kitchen space, the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome boasts a full kitchen with a sink, stove, refrigerator, and even a microwave. There's ample counter space for food preparation, and smart storage solutions mean that you can store all your essential cooking gear without cluttering up the place. For anyone who loves cooking on the road, this is an absolute game changer. The bathroom is another impressive feature. While motorhomes often have tiny, cramped bathrooms, the 2025 Toyota Camper doesn't sacrifice comfort. The bathroom includes a compact shower, a toilet, and a small sink. It's perfect for when you're traveling through areas without access to public facilities. The inclusion of these basic amenities makes the camper feel much more like a home on wheels, perfect for extended trips. Technology. The future of road tripping. one of the things that sets the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome apart. Another standout feature is the camper's smart energy management system. The 2025 Toyota Camper is equipped with solar panels on the roof that help recharge the battery system. This means you can rely less on traditional power sources and enjoy longer off-grid stays. The energy system is managed by an intelligent battery management system that optimizes energy consumption, allowing you to stay connected and powered up during your travels. Performance, power and off-road capability. Let's talk about performance, because when it comes to motorhomes, you want to ensure you have a reliable vehicle that can handle different terrains. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is built on the Toyota Helix chassis, which means it has excellent off-road capabilities. This is the same rugged, reliable platform used for Toyota's most off-road ready trucks, so you know it's tough. Whether you're driving through city streets or heading off the beaten path, the Toyota Camper delivers smooth and powerful performance. The motorhome is equipped with a 2.8L turbo diesel engine, offering plenty of power for highway cruising and off-road adventures. With the addition of Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system, this camper is ready to tackle anything from sandy beaches to mountain trails. Fuel efficiency is always a concern when it comes to motorhomes, but Toyota has taken steps to ensure that the 2025 camper is as eco-friendly as possible. The hybrid engine option delivers great fuel efficiency, and the lightweight design of the camper helps it get more miles per gallon. This makes it perfect for long-distance trips, allowing you to explore more without constantly worrying about fuel stops. Pricing and availability. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is expected to hit the market sometime in mid-2025, with pre-orders beginning a few months earlier. As for pricing, the base model of the camper is expected to start at around $45,000. The higher-end versions with additional features, like the hybrid engine option and premium upgrades, could go up to $60,000 or more. While this may seem like a hefty price tag, it's important to consider what you're getting. For the price, you're getting a fully equipped, high-quality camper that is built to last and ready for all your adventures. If you're someone who loves road trips, camping, and exploring the great outdoors, the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your fellow adventure lovers. What do you think about this exciting new camper? Would you take it on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments below. And, of course, if you want to see more automotive reviews, camping gear, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, keep adventuring, and see you in the next video.